Hi my friends, I'm Antonios. We will continue with our application, jokes, and as you see here, when we click the category of the joke that we want, we can go back with the back button here. If we click it, we have an error. We will fix that. As you see here, we have to fix the back button. So in jokes general class, as you see here, we have an image view back, which is the back button we have in IV back in XML file, and we need to fix that. So we want to implement on click listener class, so we can take the unimplemented methods from here. Okay, here is the override method. We have a parameter v. We can use a switch statement, and for the key we use the parameter v to get the ID of the views that we want. Get ID. Okay, the first ID that we want is for the key button, the back button, sorry, r.id.ivback. Okay, this one. And now we need an indent. I think we have an indent. Set it up here. This is the variable for our indent, so we can use it. Copy from here. We don't need to create another one, and this will be equal with a new indent, open parenthesis, and here we want the name of our class, which is jokes general. Here dot this for the context, and now we want the class that we have to open, which is the tab menu. Okay, so here we write tab control space dot class, close with semicolon, enter, and start the activity. Where is the start the activity? With a indent here, and we use this one to start the indent. I think we're okay to run it. Okay, we click to technology, and when we click to back button, we are going back to our menu, our tab menu. That's it. So we can continue now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna create a message box in our tab menu class here. So if the user clicks from here, which is our menu, if clicks the back button from the device, we will use a message to say to him if it's if he wants to go or not. Okay, let's see that. We need an alert dialog, but first we need to have the on key down method, on key down method, this one, so we can search which button from the device the user clicks or touch. And in here we need the statement if to search if the key code is the parameter, as you see it here, it's equal with key event dot we need the key code back. Okay, and if this is true, then we'll create the code here. I have to change to key code here, capital lowercase to if, and we are okay. Okay, now we need an alert dialog builder. Let's name it exit dialog, and this will be equal with alert dialog builder, new alert dialog builder. This one with the context, we can use this, or we can create the context for this. Okay, semicolon, enter. Let's set some settings for the dialog here. Let's set the title char sequence, exit, okay, let's set an icon, okay, r.drawable. Let's use the launcher if we don't have any other one, so we use the launcher icon as icon of the exit dialog. Okay, let's set the positive button now. Let's use from the test for the text yes, and here we have to set the listener new dialog interface dot on click listener on click listener, this one, and automatically we have the override method here with two parameters, the dialog interface dialog and another one which. So what we want to do when the user clicks on yes to this dialog, we want to finish the activity. So we can close here, or we can continue to set the negative button same way. Click no here, same way with the listener new dialog interface on click listener, and here we have to cancel the dialog, so we use the dialog parameter cancel, close with semicolon, and I think that we forgot, let's close it here, this one, and we need to set the message for the dialog, so let's do it here, exit dialog, set message, let's get the first one, and in here we have to write the message that we want to appear when the dialog appears. So we'll write here, are you sure? Okay, and now finally we want to create the alert dialog. Let's name it with the same name, and this will be equal with exit dialog dot builder, create, and finally we want to show the alert, control space alert dialog dot show. Okay, I think we are okay. Let's save it, zoom out and run to see the result. So let's click to back button. Oh, and as you see here, the program is not working, so let's go to tab menu. I think we have to move all the method on key down. Let's copy it from here, let's cut it from here and put it in our menu class, because in tab menu the class which appears is the menu class, and let's paste it in here, save it and run it. So here we are, let's click the back button from the device, and as you see here we have the message box, title is exit, the message are you sure, and when we click no we stay in the activity that we are, and when we click to yes, activity is finished and we finish the program. That's it for this lesson, guys. Thank you, have a nice day, and see you. I hope I see you back again.